Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Party mendakas ngi ka Southrik uleber hajar arpo henrio. Kalau kenmau buram nya kedengko sngiyap bashposnam upurno agitok Sangma ubade umentri rangba barim kejela bat ukpa jong umentri rangba pementa ukanrat ke Sangma. Hagani kesngi ladon lang ukhon UPA Sangma ubade ru uhenmen ukanrat Sangma u James PK Sangma. Kinong yalam ke NPP bat ke MLA bat MDC ke NPP bergentop ya usembut menteri rangba ubak Presiden Tensong ba Roni Willingdo ba Hamlet Son Doling Kongres Miri Kharpuri bat kiwei. Haba ajingkran hagani kesngi ubak Presiden uloong ba udai uparlok be jan baha bat UPA Sangma hagapor ba ula Shah jiet biang kumu MP Ketura Hausnam Arhajar Khatsau. Ulay thu ba ujulet Kynduh sop bat UPA Sangma haying sa ajung u hagapor ba udang don bat keseng Kongres. Hak bagi don ki batip yakani bat ki lepentip syakinong yalam bahalor ke Kongres hakatukupor bat haba ki latip yakani kila ai yellow card ya u. Ulay thu ba ula Shah ai yellow card nado ke hukum jong ki bahalor do syado ke jela. Ubak Presiden uloong ba UPA Sangma udi ubriu ubala jiet da ublay dak bapen pau ba umla ban klet yake ai ke ba UPA Sangma uji asam yake ai bat u. Ulay thu ru ba uju ong ya u ban trejitom bat ban pentikna ban ajinya dai ki riulum ki badan haga jela Meghalaya haga than stay la mingi bat haga ri India baro kawai.
So let's pay our homage petals, and after we can proceed to the conference hall. We will have the program. So let's all after we video.
From 2014, the moment again Leit Sangma was re-elected as MP of Tura parliamentary constituency, I became close with him that time. Very, very close. Nobody knows. I think James does not know that. Every moment I landed Delhi, I never failed to call Leit Sangma. And that time I used to stay in Aurangzeb Road, Meghalaya House. And Leit Sangma, he stays near the Meghalaya House. I think all of us, we knew it. By 8:39, I quietly went to his house. In that journey, let me tell you one thing. In that journey, some report went down to the leadership of Congress that time. And you know, I got yellow card. Yellow card was issued to me that time, right from the high command up to the state command. But let me tell you one thing. PA Sangma was chosen by God. And you can't imagine the way he shared things with me. I can never forget that. And he told me, Preston, you are just like my brother, youngest brother. Work hard and let us also make sure that the interests of the tribal community, starting from Meghalaya, Northeast, and the entire nation, has to be fully protected. that has to be fully protected. That time I couldn't understand well. I thought myself in the circle of Meghalaya alone, my service will be ended. But meeting him every now and then, ultimately, it convinced me that I should be also part of this vision and the mission initiated by our great leader. Parolok bi ngim yo shu kum ulit bi Sangma. Haka political career jonga ngam yo shu kum uliu kra. Ubayo ijingai. Ya kajing don kam jongi kirit pai. They tat hadu banga join yaka party NPP. Ar hajar khatra kumlaong ba Daniel. Ar hajar khatra habanga puli yaka constitution joka party. Ngayo i yaka dur jong upi Sangma. One Northeast, one tribal in India. Kata kade kakubor, kabakraw tam kabangiyo, now new leader. Nga teng nga mga nga pet nga kakta kajingmut kajing berkat. Bakibriw ki kawang mau ya ka constitution jong ka party NPP. Mangikirit pa ni persyang bat kawang mau ya kani ka vision bat ka mission ka bau leader jongi ula e no sadin pamangingi de bankit nrei ngangai skem tang kawai kajing persyang jongi hapo kajingelam jongu Konrad Sangma niyo i ba kanang seiso kanang pulong kanang pu kanang bit kanang biak kat banang mi kibenai kat banang mi kisnem ban ngangets kem ba kanika vision ka mission ka basiteng po jong Leit pi Sangma u Konrad Sangma u James Sangma mangi bro nginla ban penulong ya ka ba James, I've just shared with all of them, and the mission of your late father is inherited to us jointly with Konrad, with you. Let us accomplish it. Tekil perlok baik, ki leaders baik. Jom ka parti ngadas nguk men bengila banya Kynduh mentaka step. Katne piawan. Ai bagani ka jingi Kynduh bejongi. Kitu ke history lengkot. Ke baki leaders nak le ka parti kila ai. Ke bayajan bat ulet pe Sangma kila ai. Ngin kit iya kani. Ngin nang perklan susu. Ya kecil syakri ke jongi. Ai baka Meghalaya jongi. Kadlong ka Meghalaya. Kabatap da ka jingkerku. Haki por. Ki bantangwan baro. Ngamla ban klet. Mentar hawa arah jar apulai. Ngapoy hapo New York. Don way prolok ukot yangi na kamantangi lit bam lunch ia keduk sangut kita ki leaders ki NRI hang the New York ki ya thu khana chapa hupi e Sangma ki ong komunem judan su ki NRI ki bala ki badon ke company ke bahe ang te po hapo Amerika ki ken maulut chapa hupi e Sangma don ulidar hang ne ke jelah juni dak ke burom ngakrega 4 don like now neuro ramba pin pet ya ke history pin kren ya ki eke brohai 4 don kat uni uru ramba ubau play rajin pi ka pelong yang ka pelong yang i bengin join sa kanila party de kata kanuri balengi join balengi rung ha kanila party i Dr. David Yong ka continuity lembaga responsibility na try de kata ka badon kam yang i bangin bedeng ya kalentia ke jomi doble kurku
every one of you for taking your time out to be part of this program, to show your love, to show your respect for our leader who is no more with us. And I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Sir Preston Tensong is also the Deputy Chief Minister. I know how having taken time out to be with us, to share your words, your experiences, it means a lot to us. And we, as a family, as his children, would like to profusely thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I'd like to also thank each and every one of our speakers who have shared their tribute to our late leader. I'd like to thank all of you, Ma Daniel, Dr. David Kashandi, Congress, and Baba Job, and also our state working president, By Hamlet. Thank you so much for all those kind words that you have said. And thank you for sharing things which not just bring about real fond memories about my strengthen my resolve in the kind of responsibilities that he envisioned in each of us, be it my brother, our honorable chief minister, or be it my sisters, in the kind of responsibilities that he laid on us and that he gave us. And it really makes our resolve stronger. It strengthens it by all the words, the kind words that all of you have spoken about. It's so nice to see so many people here, and I did not expect this very big gathering. So it really touches me, and it's something that I'm very grateful to all of you. And as the theme of today's program, a decade of remembrance, carrying forward his vision, speaks about. It's 10 years have passed since he passed away, but it just seems like yesterday that he was very much there with us, and he would be just sharing a very light moment, and his humor was so infectious, his laughter was so infectious. And this is something that seems just like yesterday. And to see that all of you share that kind of moment, that memory with him, it just brings back a quote from a Scottish poet that I really like, Thomas Campbell. And he says that to live in the hearts that you leave behind is not to die. And this is what I see here today, that his memory lives on in each and every one of you. And even though 10 years have passed, he feels very much alive, that he's just next to us, that he is guiding us with his words, and his vision carries on in each and every one of us. And I'm very sure today that as he looks down upon us from heaven, he's with our Maker today. And I think that he must be having a smile on his face, looking at how today his vision lives on in each and every one of us. So I don't have many words to say today, except that I am extremely grateful to each and every
and taking uncle at that time to the hospital. I remember I had trouble with late Sir P.A. Sangma quite a few times here during the Langpi incident. We had gone to Langpi by road during the Garu and Raba clash at that point of time. So I had fondly recall that he was a good man. I am nobody to speak about his qualities, about his character. The whole world knows about it. Every one of us knows about this. So I'm nobody to judge or to speak about his qualities, his character, but on my personal experience, he's a man who is loved by many. He's a man who has set an example, and he's a man who has fought for a tribal identity till the day he passed away. He's a man who has fought for Christianity in the country. He had even challenged in the floor of the house that many people are shying away from acknowledging the mission, schools and colleges that many of the politicians, celebrities who have passed from Christian missionary schools, but yet till today we can see what is happening around our churches, our Christian brothers and sisters in this country. He has
Purno Sangma on this 10th death anniversary. I feel that each and every one of us present here will never forget this great leader. They bangayeng hangne hakma jongpi barokhoi. Nginumla banklet ya uni leader jong ka party ka jongi. But leader ubasengru ya kani ka party ka bait ka jongi. A leader who's a statesman ubadan ka jingyo ijngai. Leader ubadan kata ka ba snowrit kamensem. But kumno kabandon kata ka jingyo ijngai na banta jongi ka northeast si barok kawi. Badam tang kata ilalong way na pedeng jong kita ki leaders om tang ha ka jinglong ka jongi kom UMLA jong ka thain ka jongi but balawan ra e ka nam ka buram na banta ka thain ka jongi ka ilalong ro kumu speaker jong ka lok sabha wadlang ang padon ha ka party ha kitu ki por Henry ngakan mau but ilong utaw ba inspire kamtam kumingi bagumno ka bangin ya ilinti habede ba kakam sign perthai hakma jongi kamde tang nabanta kajing yo nong ka jongi shimet ngaiwi Henry ngaiwi but he is a leader who's not self-centered, a leader with a motive